Hey guys, just a quick trading example from today's chat room call at greatstockpicks.com. We've had several today. It's been a big day, but I just wanted to show you one real quick. First Solar, just knowing stocks that can break their early high, stocks that can move nicely, I should say, after breaking their early high, can take some of the guesswork out of it. And First Solar FSLR is definitely one of those. See this arrow here? I called this long if it got up to this arrow. And then let me switch to what happened. That's where I called it long. Literally 500 shares in about 5 minutes, $200. If you waited about 90 minutes, $500. So just an example. And this wasn't a tricky, or there wasn't a great chart as far as the daily. I wasn't in love with it. It's kind of hanging around the 200 day. But just trading every day and knowing the stocks that can do that paid off nicely in First Solar today. All right, and real quick, I'm just going to go over some other stuff from the chat room today. I called BTU, I think at 1843, right about there. It went up nicely over 1870. The best alert of the day was on FIO by Zozo, one of our all-stars. This is an opening 2-minute candle. He alerted to the room over the microphone the volume and that it had news. And any one of us could have grabbed this on this next 2-minute candle as it broke the high of the day over 1125. And look at this. I mean, it's up $2 from there. What a great real-time alert by Zozo. And sometimes, again, charting is not all that important. Just being somewhere with people scanning the market can make a big difference as well. I also personally called BlackBerry. Let me give you an arrow at 1122, thinking that would be enough to get through the high of the day, and it certainly was, right about there. And over the course of the next 10 minutes or so, almost to 1150, and we were selling into that high volume spike. And it may continue, may be a multi-day deal. That was certainly a nice one. BlackBerry is one of those stocks, could have had as many shares as you wanted. MCP is another one of those, like First Solar, that I knew over the high of the day could get going. Ramesh, one of our members, actually put it on my radar. So I called it long right there at 647 if it got there, and boom, and you can see the volume going in. And then we're actually a nice second wave. We're actually selling to the people that are chasing that. So again, a great attribute of the room and the teamwork in there. And one other thing I pointed out was ISIS right down here on 2-minute candles when it was hitting this blue line here for a possible turn. What happens is oftentimes on a gap up, you come down and take out the low of the day, which is where all the stops are. And look at this. Takes out the low of the day, and then it was up from there. So anyway, that's what I've done today so far. It's the lunchtime slowdown now, getting ready to go do a Q&A, but really nice morning in chat. Talk to you guys later.